I just wanted to record a quick introductory video of some of the starter lessons that I have. And I guess I can go with like popular languages and just open this folder and run a couple of different hello worlds in different languages. So uh, I guess the most recent one that I've run is in C here, and I have some other ones in C++. Let's see. So let's see. Okay, here we go. C++. And then we can go with hello world. Let's see. Oh, come on. So let's see. C, hello world. And then also Python, I guess. Python and Java. Let's see. Python. Oh, come on. All right, I'll just do C++, Python, and Java. So Java. Okay, yeah. All right, so what we can do is, these are the like most popular, some of the most popular languages. And basically, when I start my lessons, I typically start them off with a hello world example. I just run it. But then I kind of jump into another version of the same type of program, except passing arguments to the program. And I'll do, I guess, these two for CPP, C++, and then we'll jump into Python real quick. So here, and let's see what we get when we run this file. It's not running. All right, I'll compile it. So let's see, popular languages. Terminal. All right. So yeah, this is basically just a hello world for C++. I try to use the actual language in the hello world portion. So as you can see, it says hello, comma C++ here. So that's basically just running a basic C++ program. Um, and if we wanted to do something a little bit more interesting, we could go into this directory where this is here, and then compile this program first and then run it. Okay, yeah, so this one we get C++ is cool. A lot of extra code here just to kind of format the string and add brackets to represent an array. But if we wanted to add another argument here, I could put my name here, and then we get, one more argument. Um, One other thing of note about the C++ is that if if we don't pass any arguments, it actually will print this, excuse me, this set of brackets here. And the reason why the arg count is 1 is because it actually accepts the executable as an argument as well. But inside of this for loop, we actually skip over that argument starting at position 1. And I think the original running of Hello World finally finished from the play button. Yeah, so let's go back to the terminal. All right, so yeah, so with this one, yeah, if I was to run it again without these arguments, it's a little harder to see. Yeah, so without these arguments here, it just prints out an empty set of array brackets here, and that's this guy right there. All right, so that's C++. In Python, a similar type of situation happens here. Let's see if I can open the terminal there. Here. Okay, yeah. And then here I would just basically say Python hello.py. It's a little harder to see there as well. And just to kind of clear out the terminal so that we just see what we want, what we need. All right, yeah, so we have hello Python there. So that's this program here. And there's also an arguments example here as well. So if we come here and we were to run this one here, I'm in the wrong directory. Yeah, so we get the same thing, except we don't have to add like more code to basically print and indicate that this is an array. And also, the same thing with Python. The first argument is actually the file name. So in this case, the file name is arguments.py. So if I was to get rid of this here, it would actually print the arguments.py first in the array here. Yeah. So that is Python. And yeah, I did run this. Okay, yeah. So lastly, we have Java. So let's go ahead and get rid of that and then go to the terminal here. Oh, that's not what I want. Go to the terminal here. And there's a two-step process for this. For C, C++, and Java, you have to compile first and then run it. Python is an interpreted language, so you don't have to do any compilation step first. So here I'm going to compile the Java file, and there's already a hello world.class here, so let's go ahead and delete that just to show that it is generating that hello world.class there. And there it is, it came back. All right, and now when we do Java versus Javac, Javac is for compilation, Java is for execution. So we say Java, hello world, and we should get hello, comma Java there. Yeah, there we go, hello, comma Java. Now, there's an arguments example for this one as well. So let's take a look at that real quick. And let's go up a directory. Is it capital A? No, lowercase a. All right, and once again, we're going to compile it first. And as you can see, there's no arguments.class here, but when we compile it, we should get an arguments.class. And then when we run this here, Java is cool, and we get the array brackets. And once again, the extra step that's needed for C++ means that, you know, there's more that you have to do in C++ versus a language like Java or Python, because those are essentially higher level languages. I'm sorry, Java is more of a higher level language than say C or C++. C++, you can actually manipulate the memory in a language like C++, but in Java, not so much. You can do it, but there's things called the Java native interface that I've used for Android development when I needed to write some lower level C code or C++ code and then attach it to Java code. But yeah, I can talk about that later. So yeah, running it as is, but just to kind of cap everything off, you know, I'm going to put my name here, and then we're going to have an extra argument. And I think that's a good stopping point. Let me know if any of this was helpful as far as, you know, like the libraries. If you have any questions about, you know, any of these three languages, if you have questions about maybe PHP or C#, or let's see, what else do we have here? Python, Scala, Perl, C#. And these are just the popular languages. I actually have examples for like mobile development, for web development, and all of that in different folders. All right. Thank you.